The biggest risk you will ever take is not taking a risk at all. You have to take risks. We will only understand the miracle of life fully when we allow the unexpected to happen. Only those who will risk going too far can possibly find out how far one can go. If you are not willing to risk the unusual, you will have to settle for the ordinary. Take risks. If you win, you will be happy. If you lose, you will be wise. The biggest risk a person can take is to do nothing. When we stop taking risks, we stop living life. Great love and great achievements involve great risks. A ship is safe in harbor, but that's not what ships are for. The biggest risk is not taking any risk. In a world that is changing really quickly, the only strategy that is guaranteed to fail is not taking risks. You can't get anywhere in life without taking risks. Risk it. Go for it. Life always gives you another chance, another go at it. It's very important to take enormous risks. Danger can never be overcome without taking risks. Progress always involves risks. You can't steal second base and keep your foot on first. Yes, risk taking is inherently failure prone, otherwise it would be called sure thing taking. Take calculated risks. That is quite different from being rash. Life is inherently risky. There is only one big risk you should avoid at all costs, and that is the risk of doing nothing. When you take risks, you learn that there will be times when you succeed and there will be times when you fail, and both are equally important. It seems to be a law of nature, inflexible and inexorable, that those who will not risk cannot win. It is better to risk starving to death than surrender. If you give up on your dreams, what's left?